Selling my home with Chesswork Property was an excellent experience. It's my first time that I'm selling, so I had no idea about the experience, but they kept me updated throughout the whole process, talked me through everything, made me feel very safe and confident throughout the whole time. Chesswork Group helped me with the finance of actually purchasing this property that I'm now selling through Darren. He was excellent, got me a great deal and also got me a very good interest rate. And then now that I'm selling, I went back to Darren and he recommended Alex and Dirk with Chesswork, and they were also excellent all the way through, very professional. I was really impressed with their marketing strategy. They did a really excellent walkthrough of the property, made everything look beautiful. The photos were so professional, and the post as well was really excellently done. I was so happy with the results. The home open went so well. We had so many offers, which led to us accepting a really great price, which we're super happy with. I would definitely recommend Chesswork to anyone who's looking to sell their property. Alex and Dirk were so excellent throughout the whole process and we got a great price.